Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Nissan Versa key fob. This easy method helps you quickly get your new or replacement fob working correctly. You will need all the key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones you currently use. Make sure your car battery is in good condition before starting the process. Let's get your key fob ready to go and functioning perfectly. To begin, sit inside your Nissan Versa with all the doors securely closed. Insert your key into the ignition, but remember not to start the engine. Now, quickly turn the key from the OFF position to the on position 6 times within a 10-second window. This specific action should successfully put your vehicle into the necessary programming mode, preparing it for the next steps. Once your vehicle enters programming mode, the hazard lights will flash twice, confirming it's ready for your input. Take your first key fob and press any button on it firmly. The hazard lights will flash again, indicating that this specific fob has been successfully registered. If you have more fobs to program, repeat this exact step for each one immediately after the previous registration. To exit programming mode and finalize the process, simply remove the key from the ignition. The hazard lights should flash 3 times, signaling that the entire programming sequence is now complete. Now, step out of the vehicle and thoroughly test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Verify that the lock, unlock, and trunk release functions all work perfectly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.